Students, we have completed previous questions from question number exercise 1.1, all the questions until question number 8. Now today we are going to do question number 9. So read the statement of question number 9, that it is reduce the given rational expression to the lowest term. So what we have to do? Reduce mean we have to cancel the terms. These are the rational expressions and we have to reduce them, or you can say simplify them as much simplify as we can. So we will start here. It's first question number 9. Question number 9. First rational expression is 8x square y square divided with 12x4y. So we see there are two rational expressions, 8x square y square and 12x4y4. So reduce mean we have to cancel them. Both of them are going on the table of 4, so we can cancel them on table of 4. X square y square x4 y. So 8 and 12, both of them are going on table of 4, so we cancel them. 4 2 is 12 and 4 3 is 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12. And what do we get here? 2x square y square divided by 3x4y. Now how to solve these powers? We will apply exponential rules. In exponential rules, we say that when power is moved from the denominator to numerator, when power is moving from denominator to numerator, it will subtract. So what we write down here, 2x square minus 4, because both of these bases are same, but their powers are, here it's 2 and here it's 4. When we move from the denominator to numerator, so powers will get subtracted. So 2 minus 4 and y 2 minus 1. When there is no power means there is 1. So divided by 3. Next step what we will do here, 2x raised to power 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and y. So we have a negative power. So how can we solve the negative power? We can solve the negative power simply when we move this negative sign. How can we solve it? 2y divided by x square. We take just a reciprocal of it and we get the answer. Now we will move to next question, that is question number 10. It's very easy. We just have to reduce them. 25 a cube b square and another is 14 a square b4. So here first we see the numbers 25 and 14. They're not going in any table. So what we do, we will write down simply 25. Then we move to the variables. A cube minus 2, because here the power is 3, here the power is 2. Both the bases are same. So by the exponential rule, power will go to the numerator and it will be subtracted. And what about the b? b 2 minus 4. Why? Again, we are applying the exponential rule. From here, b4, when it will move to numerator, it will get subtracted. So what we get here, 25 a cube minus a means 1. We no need to write down 1. लेकिन अगर लिखना चाह रहे a1 and b is basically 2 minus 4 means minus 2. Again, the power is negative. How can we make it positive? 25 a by b square, because we take it, remove the negation sign. Now the next part is, we missed this figure, that is 14. It's 14b. So the next part is part number 11. What is 11 part? See here, 16a6b7 and 12a cube b5 plus 20a5 b4. Again a rational expression. We will first write down 16a6 b7 divided by 12a cube b5 plus 20a5 b4. So here again we have to reduce them. reduce mean cancellation. इनको cancel करेंगे. maximum जितना constant number cancel हो सकता है, जितना simplify हमारा powers हो सकती हैं, जितना हम variables को simplify कर सकते हैं, this is reduction basically. a cube b5 plus 20 a5 b4. We can, here we have two terms. In this, here we have a 12a cube and b5 plus 20 a5 b4. So first we see how to solve it. There is something common in them. A is common, A is common, B is common, B is common, 12 and 20. So we can take something common here. So what will be the common for us? We are going to take the common here. If we take common, so 12 and 20, both of them are going on table of 4. So we will write down here 16, A6, B7, and 12 and 20, both of them are going on table of 4. So if you see what is common, A3 and A5. So we take A3 common and B5 and B4. So we will take B4. So what is the remaining here? 4 into 3 is 12. So we write down here 3. A completely comes out, A3, and B is remaining here. Then next power, next number is 20. 4 into 5 is 20. So we write down 5 here because we take the common 4 here. Then A3 is outside. A3 is the common. Remaining A is A2. And then B4 is common. We write down B4. So there is no value of B will come here. We just write down there. So what is remaining value? 16A6 B7 divided by 4A cube B4 and bracket 3b, mean what is the common between them? We write it down and then the remaining value is this. Next step, what we are going to do, 16 and 4 are easily cancelling on same table. 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16. So and then A3 and A6, how we solve it? 4 A6 minus 3 and B7 minus 4. So what is the remaining denominator here? 3b plus 5a square. So what we write down here? 4a 6 minus 3 is 3, means cube, and b 7 minus 4 is also a cube, and then we write down the remaining value 3b plus 5a square. This is a simplified form. This question cannot be further reduced. So we will do the next question also, that is this is question 10, 11, and now we will start question number 12. This question number 12 we will see here. 18 m5 x cube divided by 27 m4 x8 minus 36 m6 x6. So first we will do here, again we have two terms here, and we will see what is the common, and then both of the tables are going on table of 9. 9 into 3 is 27 and 9 into 4 is 36. So we will take out the common values. 18 m5 x cube, taking common 9 m4 and m6. So what is common? M4. x8 and x6. So what is common in both of them? x6. So what is the remaining value? 3 m4 is outside, then x6. So it is x8. So x square is remaining, minus 4 9 3 9 into 4 is 36. m6 and m4 is common, remaining is m square, and x6 is common. So this is the remaining value. Next step, what we are going to do, 18m5x cube divided by 9m4x6. Now we will see what is common, so we can cancel them. So 3x square minus 4m square. So 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. Then it's 2m5 minus 4, because both the bases have this power 5 and this power 4, so this will go here to the numerator and it will be subtracted. Then the next, x cube minus 6, because here it's adding and when it's go to numerator it will be subtracted. Then the remaining value is 3x square minus 4m square. Then 2m, 5 minus 4, 1, no need to write it, you can just write 2m is fine, or x raised to power minus 3. Then 3x square minus 4m square. So these are the values which we find this simplify here. So next what we have to do, we simplify this question, and one step is remaining here. We have to do that because here we have the negative power and we have to make it positive. 2m, this x will be minus 3, so we will write down here x cube now become positive, and remaining value is 3x square minus 4m square. And next step, 2m, this power is going to multiply with them and we get the answer 3x 5 minus 4m square x cube. This is your answer. Remaining questions we have done 12, 13 and 14. 13 and 14 is your homework. Question number 13 and 14 is your homework. I want to see these on your loose sheets, please.